The trouble code B1477 in the Mitsubishi car means that the SRS control unit doesn't get proper signals or doesn't send proper signals to other units. There are basically two culprits of this code, the broken SRS control unit or the wiring issues. In a lot of cases, the problem is actually in a corroded connector right on the SRS module, but sometimes it's a broken wire or a corroded connector on one of the knock sensors or seat safety system, etc. Unfortunately, locating the problem on your own is not easy at all. Without special tools and knowledge, you can unplug the SRS module connector and carefully look at its pins. If you see any corrosion, you may clean them carefully and try plugging it back. Now, the problem may disappear. Other than that, you need to find a good car electrician to test the wires and see what may cause the problem. Also, if you end up buying a new or used SRS module, you will need professional help to get it coded properly. Otherwise, you will have a lot of different codes and lights, since the car will not be able to communicate with a module that hasn't been properly programmed for your VIN.